Design and implementation of art disease predictor system using machine learning algorithms over live cloud infrastructure. So this particular project actually comes under the machine learning, artificial intelligence and the cloud domain. So it's a combination of multi-domain project. Okay, so the platform where our project will be running is on live cloud. Okay, so that means whatever solution we are going to implement, it will be deployed over the live cloud environment like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Service, etc. Okay, so that anyone across the world can readily use your project. Okay, so this is the advantage of deploying the project on live cloud. Okay, so and the programming language that we are using to implement this project is completely on Python for implementing the machine learning coding. Okay, and we will also require some knowledge on Java, okay, for implementing that live cloud concepts. Okay, and we will be referring to one of the latest IEEE paper as a reference, but we will be providing the solution in our own implementation. Okay, so that means even our solution also can be published as a new IEEE paper. Okay, so basically what is that we are going to do in our project is, so we are going to implement a machine learning project, okay, so which will predict the heart disease for a given patient. Okay, so we are going to read some data about that patient like age, gender, age, gender and previous health records and weight, BMI, etc. So there are some 20 to 30 features that we are going to read for a specific patient, and based on that particular features, right, we are going to predict the heart disease, like what kind of disease he might expect in near future, and what are the areas that he need to improve for a better health. So those kind of predictions and forecasting we are going to do using machine learning algorithms. Okay, so for doing this, so we are going to make use of the neural network algorithms. Okay, and the machine learning will make use of neural networks for predicting and forecasting the heart disease. Okay, so this is the first thing that we are going to do. So we are going to predict the heart disease, and we are going to also forecast what you have to do for a better health, like that. And the second thing is, so this solution that whatever we are going to implement, right, so we are going to implement that solution on a live cloud. Okay, so that means anyone can access our solution in a as a service model. Okay, so that means if Practo, there's a app called Practo, right? If Practo have to use my solution, so that Practo can tell its users how they are progressing on their health, etc. So Practo people can readily use our solution through this as a service model. So because my solution is there in the live cloud, right, they can readily integrate our solution into their application, and they can predict the heart disease of its customers, like that. So if Apollo has hospitals or Fortis hospitals, if any of those hospitals have to readily use our solution, they can do that. So because we are making our solution available on live cloud. Okay, that's what we are going to do as the second thing. And the advantage of this project is it's going to be proven that it's very accurate. Okay, so that we are going to also prove the accuracy of our solution, and we will make sure the accuracy will be greater than 90 or 95%. Okay, because this is a medical industry, right, the accuracy will be utmost importance. And the number of lines of codes that we are going to write in this project will be around 3500 plus lines of code. So if you have any other specific questions on this project, feel free to contact me on this number or send me an email to this ID. Thank you so much.